So return to home is pressed, and it says it's still going. 635 meters, 636 meters, and still going. So we'll see if it ever comes back. But you see, there's 19 satellites linked. And it was heading in that direction there. Towards sunset. It's gone. It's still going. 710 meters that direction. I pushed return to home, and she's not coming back. It's supposed to come back when it loses signal with the remote. Or the battery gets low, which the battery's getting low now. Oh, look, it stopped. 717.
Yeah.
720. No, it's still going 720. No, you don't.
Oh, no?
No.
Well,
You'd see,
spinkers or something
you'd see a flashing light in the sky.
Oh, well, I heard something over there coming on. Okay.
Still going. I'm recording this, so when I go to get my money back for not having it, and say, well, it didn't work. I got 19 satellites linked to it. Got to press return to home.
Well, I'm glad you enjoy this kind of stuff. Because it's just too expensive for my taste. Sorry.
See the battery's flashing now? It should be on. It should have been on the its back by now.
Oh, that's not cool.
Yep. Still going 758. 79.
So if it didn't come back, do they send you a new one anyway?
No, I'm going to get my money back. I don't want another one that does this. I mean, this is the first time I've launched it.
Well, it's a couple times you have, but anyhow.
No, this is the first time on this one. This is a new one.
Oh, so the other one...
Yeah, the other one had a bad battery.
Better than this one, so maybe you should...
The other one had bad battery.
The other one had a bad battery?
Yeah. So
maybe you should tell them that this product
I think this
and the other one was better.
Exactly right. I think I'm going to go with a different one. Oh, this bullshit. Simrex sucks.
That does suck.
Yeah, that ain't never going to happen. Still going. 811. Oh look. Oh look. Oh look. It flipped to 003.
Maybe it's possessed.
And it started counting up again. What the hell?
They're not 100% accurate, okay?
No, it just says it's here and it's going away now. That ain't nowhere near here. I don't know where it is. It's gone.
Okay. Thank you.
No return to home. I see no flashing lights on the horizon. No.